Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best breast tape is probably one of the most revolutionary yet often overlooked wardrobe essentials for anyone seeking versatile support and a seamless silhouette without the constraints of a traditional bra, offering unparalleled freedom and confidence for various outfits, from backless dresses to plunging necklines, truly transforming how you approach fashion and comfort. Number 5. Risqué Boob Tape. Achieve the perfect silhouette with ease. This innovative tape provides an instant breast lift and superior support, giving you confidence in any outfit. We've thought of everything for your comfort. Each pack includes discreet nipple covers, ensuring a smooth and confident look every time you wear it. Sculpt and enhance your natural curves effortlessly. It's designed to give you that desired push-up in shape, making you feel fabulous. Say goodbye to visible bra straps and lines. It works perfectly with sticky bras, backless dresses, or strapless tops, offering ultimate versatility. Don't let anything hold you back. It's waterproof and sweat-proof, ensuring reliable hold and comfort from morning to night, no matter the activity. Designed in a subtle beige tone, it blends seamlessly with most skin types. You'll forget you're even wearing it, while enjoying its amazing benefits. What we like. This tape is designed for ultimate durability and support. Its waterproof and sweat-proof formula ensures a secure hold through any activity or weather. If you're looking for reliable support that won't budge, even during intense moments, this is your go-to. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to select points as the input source is empty. Number 4. Busties Boob Tape Kit. Tired of uncomfortable bras? This innovative kit provides the support you need for any outfit. It gives you confidence and comfort all day long. Each pack comes with 12 pieces, including the tape, petals, and covers. It's everything you need for a flawless, natural look. Designed for universal fit, it's incredibly easy to apply. You can achieve a custom lift that suits your unique shape without any hassle. Whether you have large breasts or just want extra lift, this tape provides excellent support. It's a versatile solution for every woman seeking comfort and shape. The nude color blends seamlessly with your skin, making it virtually invisible under clothing. Its gentle adhesive ensures comfort without irritation, letting you wear it confidently. Say goodbye to restrictive bras and hello to freedom. It allows you to wear backless, strapless, and plunging necklines with ease and confidence. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for multiple applications. It's designed for universal fit and is particularly effective for those with larger breasts, offering robust support. If you need a complete, easy-to-use solution that caters to a wide range of sizes, especially larger ones, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Nippies Nipple Covers for Women. Discover the secret to flawless style. These innovative covers provide a smooth, discreet look under any outfit, giving you complete confidence. Crafted from high-quality sticky silicone, they offer exceptional comfort and stay securely in place all day. Plus, they're designed for repeated use, making them an eco-friendly choice. Each pair comes with a convenient travel case, perfect for keeping them clean and protected. Take them with you wherever you go for instant wardrobe solutions. Choose between the classic original circle style or the supportive lift style to best suit your needs. They adapt seamlessly to your desired look. Specifically designed for women, these pasties offer unparalleled discretion and comfort. Experience the freedom of going braless with complete peace of mind. Enjoy the freedom of wearing any outfit without worry. They are your go-to solution for invisible support and a polished finish. Elevate your wardrobe with this essential accessory. They are the perfect blend of practicality and elegance for every woman. What we like. These covers offer a comfortable and discreet solution for everyday wear. Being reusable and made of silicone, they are an eco-friendly and long-lasting option. If you prioritize comfort, reusability, and a seamless look under any outfit, these are perfect for you. What people say. Number 2. Fearless Tape, double-sided for clothing, body and dresses. This professional tape keeps your dresses, tops, and all clothing perfectly in place throughout the day. It works seamlessly as dress tape, bra tape, or garment tape for any outfit, ensuring your fashion stays flawless. Featuring a medical-grade adhesive, it's gentle enough for sensitive skin while providing an all-day hold. This tape creates an invisible barrier between fabric and skin, perfect for various styles, and removes cleanly without irritation. This double-sided solution works on silk, satin, cotton, and delicate materials without leaving marks or residue. It's a professional alternative to damaging pins and clips for wardrobe fixes and fashion styling. Experience reliable adhesion that stays secure through dancing, sitting, and active movement. It provides a stronger hold than standard options while remaining flexible and comfortable, perfect for any occasion. For best adhesion, apply it to clean, dry skin and fabric. Clean skin with rubbing alcohol and use a lint roller on fabric before application. Each strip provides secure, invisible hold for fashion perfection. What we like. This double-sided tape is your secret weapon for wardrobe malfunctions, keeping clothes perfectly in place. With 50 strips and a medical-grade adhesive, it offers a strong, fabric-safe hold without irritation. If you need to secure necklines, hemlines, or prevent gaps in your clothing, this versatile tape is an absolute must-have. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted. Number 1. TEAWOO Boob Tape Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for a flawless silhouette. It provides discreet yet powerful support for all your outfits. This comprehensive kit includes breast lift tape, nipple covers, and double-sided tape. It offers everything you need for a secure and comfortable fit. Whether you're an A cup or a G cup, it is engineered to provide excellent support. It adapts to your unique shape, offering a customized lift. Wear backless dresses, strapless tops, or deep V-necks with complete confidence. It helps you achieve the perfect look for any occasion. Its gentle yet firm hold ensures comfort throughout the day or night. You'll barely notice it's there, but everyone will notice your enhanced posture. What we like. This all-in-one kit provides a complete solution for breast lift and clothing security. It includes both breast tape and double-sided tape, along with nipple covers, catering to AG cup sizes. If you're looking for a versatile and comprehensive package that covers all your needs for lift and fashion fixes, this kit is ideal. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.